Fear of finances can feel overwhelming, like a shadow that clouds our decisions and limits our potential. But what if I told you that you have the power to overcome this fear and replace it with peace, confidence, and abundance? Today, we'll explore spiritual practices to help you transform financial fear into empowerment. Number 1 is acknowledge the fear without judgment. The first step to overcoming fear is acknowledging it. Fear is simply energy, your body's response to uncertainty. By observing it without judgment, you begin to take back control. Remember, what you resist persists, but what you embrace, you can transform. Number 2 is use breath work to calm the mind. Fear lives in the mind, but you can shift your energy with the power of your breath. Try this. Inhale deeply for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, then exhale for 8 counts. As you exhale, visualize releasing fear and creating space for peace. This simple practice anchors you in the present moment and shifts your energy. Number 3 is reframe fear through gratitude. Gratitude is the antidote to fear. Start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. Even in financial struggles, there's always something to appreciate. Your resilience, the lessons you're learning, or the support around you. Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, rewiring your mindset. Number 4 is affirmations to reprogram your beliefs. Fear often stems from limiting beliefs about money. Replace these beliefs with empowering affirmations like, I am safe and secure. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I am deserving of abundance. Repeat these daily and let your words become your reality. Number 5 is meditation to release anxiety. Meditation quiets the noise of fear and connects you to your higher self. During meditation, imagine a golden light surrounding you, dissolving all worries. Visualize yourself living a life free of financial stress, feeling secure and abundant. This practice rewires your subconscious mind to trust in the universe's support. Number 6 is embrace the energy of surrender. Fear often comes from trying to control everything. Surrender is not giving up. It's trusting in a higher power. Declare, I release my financial fears to the universe. I trust that all my needs are met. When you surrender, you make room for divine guidance and unexpected blessings. Number 7 is small acts of faith, tithing and giving. Even in times of financial fear, is a powerful act of faith. It tells the universe, I trust in abundance. Whether it's a small donation, helping a friend, or sharing your time, giving shifts your focus from fear to faith and opens the flow of abundance. Financial fear doesn't have to control you. Through breathwork, gratitude, affirmations, meditation, surrender, and giving, you can shift your energy from fear to empowerment. Remember, you are more powerful than your fears, and abundance is your birthright. Trust in the journey and watch as the universe provides.